Here I'm coming up on 3 years of draw paint every day to improve artistic proficiency, and since day one I have thought I should try to illustrate tarot cards, and but I never could find my cards. I was very active 20 years ago, and did a lot of readings for folks, and they're very successful. Anyway, today I found the tarot cards, and so I'm shuffling them around. I wish they could have been under my pillow last night, but they weren't. And then the Seven of Cups plopped out on the table, like, must be a meaning there. And yes, on the positive, the meaning is to put into motion long-laid plans. So I thought that was a slam dunk, and so I illustrated the Seven of Cups, very crudely, I must say, but, I guess in tarot cards, anything goes, right? Maybe. Anyway, so I always loved the mother and child, and it certainly is a resonant meaning of life concept. So just doodled out my Seven of Cups illustration, and this is how it went. And so it looks horrible, right? But it has redeeming qualities. It certainly has Seven Cups there, a mother and child, and what else could you ask for? Lots of fun illustrating tarot, and Seven of Cups. On the negative, that means stay calm and don't get all excited, I think, something like that.